Hello YouTube, I got something I want to show today. And I'm not the first one that's ever showed this, so I may not be the best one to show this, but this is my version. This is what I'm going to show today. Something that's with the Commodore 64 Ultimate that you see here. I got a Starlight version. Up here on this screen, this is a Mac. And what I got running up here, I don't know if you can actually see it, but I got FileZilla running. It's really an FTP client where you can. Now if I want to put something on this Commodore 64, I don't have to pull the thumb drive out, put it into the Mac. And I understand this is a Mac. A lot of people do this on Windows. For the most part, most people do this stuff on Windows. But this is a Mac. But I don't have to take the thumb drive out, put it in the Mac, when I download a game or a demo or whatever. And now I can leave it all in here over the network. All I got to do, let me get it up here close. I know it ain't going to probably be as great. You ain't going to be able to see it that great. Right over here, this is my thumb drive right here. This side here is the Commodore side. This is the thumb drive right here. If I double click on that, this is everything that's on that thumb drive in the on the Commodore 64. And so over here, I just downloaded this little D64. It's a game. It's called 3D Space War. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to take and drag it over here to the USB. And on here, it will show up. On here, it will actually show up. Let's see if we can find it. It's supposed to show up. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Right up here. See there? 3D Space War. Right there. And that's what I dragged over. I didn't have to take the thumb drive out. Just do it all on FTP. Let's run it and see if it does. See if it actually runs. Some of these games don't run, but let's see if this one does. Now, it may take a little while. I don't know. Because they work just like a regular disk drive. Back in the day, they were slow. So it's like the same thing. The disk drives were slow then, and it's going to be much slower now because I'm not running any fast loader. I'm not running Jiffy DOS or nothing like that. It's just basic Commodore 64. So it may take a little while for this to load. But we're going to sit and see if it loads. It is. It's loaded. There we go. It's running. Let me turn the speaker on so we can hear it. Well, I think I lost, but that's a pretty nice game right there. Anyway, that's how you do it. That's how you play a game. How you download a game from the internet, turn the sound down, download the game from the internet. I don't have to take a thumb drive out. All I gotta do is use FileZilla, and I can drag it over to either the SD card inside or the USB that's plugged in the back. That's how you do file transfer, FTP, on a Commodore 60, from a Mac to a Commodore 64 Ultimate. Thank you for watching.